Let's dive into the new AVI version. First thing you'll notice is the typography. On the old site, the text was struggling against the dark background. We've switched to high-contrast fonts. Now, every line is sharp, readable, and doesn't strain your eyes, even on the deepest backgrounds. Next, look at the navigation. We fixed the layout of the action buttons. Instead of having them cramped together, we implemented a 5% proportional spacing. It gives the header more air and makes the interface feel balanced rather than cluttered. Check out the new menu. We completely re-engineered that blocks. Before, they were just basic lists. Now, we've introduced a clean, high-contrast aesthetic for the menus that pops against the dark theme. It's intuitive, sleek, and adds that modern tech hub feel to the site. Now, this is my favorite part. Look at this section with the golden borders. We didn't just add a color, we added life. We implemented a live effect where a golden line runs along the edge. When you hover, the entire block breathes with a soft amber glow. It's a 0.3 centimeters precision detail that changes the whole vibe. As we scroll further, you'll see these two sections. We decided to keep them exactly as they were. No visual changes here because the UX and the look are already doing their job perfectly. We believe in optimizing where it's needed, not just changing things for the sake of change. Finally, the case study section. This is a total glow-up. We added a stunning text background. It's subtle but adds incredible depth. Plus, we've integrated 2 new active elements that make the portfolio more interactive. It's not just a list anymore, it's an experience. That's the new AVI Collective. If you like this level of engineering and attention to detail, subscribe to stay updated. And if you're looking for custom solutions that actually look and work like this, contact us. Let's build something great together.